Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another Jackson's haul here, and I bought myself a new brush. That is another one of the Kahati journals because I used up my other one, and some more of the White Nights colors, and I picked up some of the pastel colors as well. And this silver black velvet brush is a size 8. There's a little close-up there. I know a lot of people rave about those brushes, and I wanted to try one out for myself. The tip is a little different than I expected. I have to wet that and test that out. Okay, that's just the cardboard it came in. And I have some new watercolor paints in here. And I picked up another one of the Kahati journals. This size I really did like. And again, I got mine at Jackson's, but I guess you can go to the Kahati.com if you wanted to get them there, depending on where you live. And mine was size 8 by 8. They have 8 by 8 and 6 by 6. I'm going to take the little craft there. Again, so you have the blank cover. Sheets inside, and this is the one with the rougher handmade edges, and I picked up the soft cover. So this one is bendy and soft, but you do have a sturdy bind right here, but they also do have hardcover ones if you did not want the soft. They just cost a little bit more, that's all. Okay, let's see, and I'm going to put that off on the side for a minute, and then little puffs. Oh, that's right, I forgot. I ordered some white gouache too. A lot of them were sold out. I guess a lot of people are painting at home due to the circumstances. But anyways, yeah, a lot of the white gouache was gone. So I found the Turner brand. And it's Japanese watercolor, Japanese color. Opaque, matte, water resistant. And it's like a little size comparison there. And inside are a couple more of the White Nights watercolors that I ordered. These are the full pans. Get everybody out. And I am going to do some swatches here of the colors. Let's see, that is just white. I guess I will use my other journal here, because this one's a little bit smaller for some swatches. Okay, and if you watched my last haul, I did order, I think it was about 4 different colors. And like I said, I really enjoyed them. There they are right there. So I bought, what's this, 2, 4, 6 more. So let's see, we have, oh, and some of them were the newer pastel. I think they came out in 2019, the pastel colors. Where are they? Yep, I have the pink peony and the coral. So we'll take a look at them too. Normally I don't do all of this, but I didn't order that much, so we're just going to squeeze them in the haul video here. Normally I would do them separate, but that's okay. You know, I've seen other people do that. I guess they're very organized. It is a good idea, but I've seen people with, and then they tape this in their journal and then they have the color. I guess that is a good idea. So I will save these. I'll try to be a little bit more organized. And that way you have the number and everything when you're looking for your colors again. Ooh, that's pretty. It is slightly unexpected, but nice. It's almost like a peach. Naples orange. A little peachy light orange. It's pretty. Alright, and we're going to use the new brush here. And this is a mixed hairbrush. But again, I've seen so many people use these brushes on Instagram and YouTube, and I kind of wanted to see what all the fuss was about, so I did purchase, if I didn't say so, the size 8 I got. I was going back and forth between the 8 and the 6, and I thought, I'll get the 8. Okay, that tip is a little different. That's a little bit better now that it's wet. I think it was just a little pushed before on one side. But it appears to be very soft and flexible, so we shall see. Okay, to the, ooh, that's so creamy. That was one of the first things I realized about the White Knights. They were so creamy, and just like 1-2 little passes, that brush is like fully loaded. Yeah, that's nice. And they have like a gloss to them too. Not on the paper, but in the pans. I've noticed that with Schminke too. Must be some binding agent in there. Okay, it's almost like a nice pumpkin color. Okay, we'll try to go somewhat in order here. We'll do Indian yellow next. I definitely use a lot of yellow. That looks so different. It looks like green. That's why watercolor, you always have to do your swatches. This is definitely darker. Okay, well, that's a little bit darker than I thought, but that's okay. It's a nice golden yellow. And again, I'm going to have to find a home for them. Probably see how many I can fit in the tin here, and I have a separate one over here as well. Let's see here. We'll do, I'm really interested in these pastels. Oh, yeah, which one was this? Coral. So let's see what's here. There's a little fleck. Oh. Just a little dust. Okay. And they're so creamy. These are almost like a gouache consistency. It's pretty though for florals. Yeah, very, very pretty. Okay, and this one was the olive. And then I picked up another blue. This one is the Azure Blue. Okay. Just just looking at the wrapper here. I know some of this is written in Russian, so. Ooh, that's pretty. And the last time I ordered, I got a cobalt turquoise, which is right here, and an indigo. Those were both really, really nice. I was very pleased with these. Ooh, that's almost like a Prussian. That's really pretty. That's another favorite of mine, so I'm definitely happy with that. Yeah, like a Prussian phthalo blue. It's really, really pretty. I'll let you settle over there. And this one is pink peony, and this one is a pastel as well. I think there's, I don't know why, but, well, Jackson's only had a couple of the pastel colors. They didn't have the full set. But I know from watching other people's videos, on Amazon they'll sell like 6 of the colors, but then there's 3 more that aren't in the set, so if you were interested in getting all the colors. I don't know why they're not all sold together, but unless it was just that particular seller. But this is pretty. But it was like the pinks, a lilac, and I think there was a blue, but it was the peach, the mint, and then like a sandy color that were not included in the set for some reason. But I looked on Jackson's, they didn't have, they had the 6 colors with like the pinks, the purples, and the blues, but they did not have the mint, peach, or the tan one when I looked. Because I would have really liked the mint and the peach, but that's okay. Maybe next time. Okay, so there's all the colors, and this brush is very, very nice. It's very, very flexible. Okay, this is almost like there's a tiny hint of purple in here. This is really pretty. Yeah, they're very, I bought them for florals in mine, so definitely very, very pretty. And now, let's see. I think we're going to try to organize this a little bit better here. Okay, and again, off camera, I went ahead and I just taped down all these wrappers, so I know what the colors were and the numbers. And yeah, I put my 2 pastel colors here in a different container because I could only fit about 8 of them in here. These are for, I have a little swatch card right here actually. The top row is what I ordered today, and the bottom row is what I ordered last time. So yeah, I'm very happy with all of the colors, and the brush definitely appears to be very nice. And I will have a more in-depth review with the White Nights, and I'll do like a probably another floral demonstration, or if you would like to see something else, you can leave a comment down below. And also, I have a 10% off your first order at Jackson's Art. The affiliate link is listed down in the description. So if you're going to make a purchase and it's your first time, you can save a little bit of money that way. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and like the video.